Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to talk about a new collection which I received from Pink Gellac. This one is called the Lollypop collection, and let me tell you, it has been a hot minute since I received a collection by Pink Gellac. But the first thing I did notice is that the entire look of the bottles has changed. It has had a really cool update. I really love the new stickers and the little decoration on the cap as well. So yeah, I received 5 colors and these are from the new Lollipop collection. So I'm just going to swatch all of these on my little swatch sticks as usual, and I can't wait to actually try these out on my own nails or make some press on nails with these. I'm just really excited for it. So this Lollipop collection contains 5 colors. They're all pretty pastel-y, but this sunset orange was really neon pastel, if you know what I mean. You will definitely see that when I'm swatching it. Also, it did come across on camera really light than it actually is in real life. It was just really neon and my camera couldn't handle the brightness of it. So yeah, I got these 5 shades and I'm just going to swatch them all on the little swatch sticks. I have already named them with my stickers and all, and I'm also going to cap them all in with the Ultra Shine top coat by Pink Gellac. So the first one is called 264 Lady Grey. All of the gel polishes by Pink Gellac are soak off and they are supposed to be cured in UV for 2 minutes or 1 minute in LED. They also contain 15 milliliters and they're supposed to last onto your nails for 14 days. So Lady Grey is a really cool toned gray shade, but I think this is a gray color that suits a lot of different skin tones. I really like this color. It is pretty neutral in my opinion, but a little bit towards the colder side, or at least that's how it came across to me personally. Everyone sees colors differently, so I always struggle a little bit with deciding whether it's a warm or a colder kind of tone, but it's a really nice shade though. I think it's really nice to combine with the pink or the blue in this collection as well, and it's just a nice wearable color. So here I applied just 1 coat, cured that for a full minute and added the top coat. The second one is 265 and this one is called Milkshake Pink. This is the perfect pastel baby pink color in my opinion. It is really nicely opaque as well. The formula isn't too thick, so it is pretty easy to apply. The only thing is I did notice that the brush as well is a little slimmer or less wide than the brushes I'm used to working with from Pink Gellac. I think that's a really good thing because my natural nails are quite narrow, so it will be a lot easier to work with these colors on my natural nails. But this is Milkshake Pink, really cute, really pretty. It is definitely a color I'm going to have lots of wear time from. So yeah, I really like it, and I think it's really cute to use this one for like a design if you have like a gender reveal party or something, if you're pregnant. By the way, I'm not pregnant, but I think it would be really cute to combine it with 266, which is called Baby Blue. This is a really cute color as well. This is just, as I said, it is the perfect like baby blue pastel shade to combine with the Milkshake Pink and Lady Grey as well. I think those 3 colors together would look so cute. Even maybe in like an ombre or a gradient, or just the 3 colors as color blocking or anything like that. I have so many ideas with this collection already. I just can't wait to try it out onto my own nails. But yeah, I really like this one. Again, nice formula. It is pretty much opaque with just 1 layer. I'm not sure if it will be opaque in 1 layer on natural nails, but we'll see when I try these out later on. So here it is with 1 coat and a layer of top coat as well. Cured both layers for a full minute in my Pink Gellac LED light. So yeah, I really like it. Again, the packaging just looks really cool. I love the little details on the cap. Then the next color is 267 Sunset Orange. I expected this to be as orange as the packaging, but it is a little bit more neon. It was so neon pastel that my camera couldn't handle it. It actually is a little darker in real life than my camera shows. But yeah, stuff like that happens. Some colors are just really hard to pick up on screen or in video, but anyone who loves neon colors will totally get what I mean by that. I felt like this had a little bit of like a thicker consistency. Still pretty nice to work with. As you can see, it is pretty much self-leveling. You don't have to be a pro at applying gel polishes to make this one completely, like, perfectly applied onto the nails. Yeah, I really like it. I think it's a nice pastel neon and super on trend at the moment. I just really like it. But as you can see, it comes over as a little bit more light than the color which is on the bottle, but it does have a good match with the little color swatch in the cap. So I'd say just look at the caps to make sure what color it exactly will be like on the nails. Then we have our last color, which is 268. This one is called Sweet Purple. It is a lovely, like, pastel lavender purpley color. I love it. I always love colors like these. I think this is a perfect spring color. Even though now I am recording this voiceover, it is almost 30 degrees Celsius here in the Netherlands, or at least where I live. It is pretty darn hot, but I think this color just screams spring and like Easter vibes and stuff like that. It is just the perfect pastel color, but I think it will be really pretty to wear in summer as well if you're not into the super screaming in your face neon colors. I think this sweet purple color will be really nice for those as well. Yeah, I just really love this collection. I'm a little bit sad that there are only 5 colors, because I would love to see like a pastel yellow or something like that, maybe a pastel green color in this. I do really like the fact that there is a gray color in here, which is kind of muted and just suits this collection really well. Just a little bit more information about this collection. You can all order them at pinkgellac.nl. I'm not sure if the pinkgellac.com website is still up, but they do ship worldwide, if I'm correct. Don't pin me down on that. I'm not sure anymore. I've been hearing different stories about it. Anyways, it's a really nice brand. They're pretty affordable. Each bottle is 15 euros in total, but they do have some really nice discounts every now and then. My favorite colors from this collection are definitely the Milkshake Pink and the Baby Blue, but to be honest, I pretty much love every shade and I can't wait to try these out myself. Do let me know what color is your favorites down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. If you have any questions or comments or concerns or anything like that, let me know in the comments down below as well. But thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.